Hello students, this is the instructional video on how to take your Unit 3 PBA. So you're going to access this through Otis, and it's going to either look like Unit 3 PBA-M or Unit 3 PBA-R. And once you open that, you'll see an attached document that looks just like this. Okay, you can, once you've opened it in Otis you just need to access it through your drive. So you don't need to go through, and I would just suggest looking up Unit 3 PBA, and it should pop up for you guys real quick. Once you have this open, the first thing you need to do is open the document that is called Binge Watching a Harmless Pleasure or Harmful Addiction. And that will take you to this document that has this article on the pros and cons of binge watching Netflix or things on TV. And there are also cons. So what your job is first is just to read the entire article, and then you can make a decision. What side do you think is the most legitimate? Which side do you agree with the most? And then you are going to write an outline, which is very similar to what your performance task outline looked like. And you're going to start with a claim. So what I would do is take the prompt and turn it into a statement. So instead of a question, is binge watching TV a harmless pleasure or harmful addiction, you would change it to binge watching TV is a harmless pleasure, or binge watching TV is a harmful addiction. And that would be your claim, depending on what side you agree with. Then you need to have two reasons that your claim is true. And then finally, you're going to need to come up with evidence from the article, which means you're directly quoting. So for example, if you wanted to use this quote, it's really easy. You can copy, right, and then paste it in as a direct quote, right? And make sure you cite it. And you can just say news ELA as your citation, and then explain the quote. Okay, so that is the next step. Once you have your outline done and you've explained your quotes and you have really good reasons and evidence, then down here is where you're going to create your final draft. And once the final draft is done, you can in Otis submit, but you don't have to. But just make sure that this final draft is done, edited, and it looks beautiful. All right. So if you have any further questions, please just let one of your teachers know.